Once again, welcome back to Harshni's View. Today we have 9 signs that highly help us to find whether we are dehydrated or not. It's important to drink water every day. Over half our bodies are made up of water and it's necessary to keep us running. Whether you are throwing back a bottle full or eating water filled foods, ideally both. Getting enough fluids in one way or another is essential for survival. The good news is that this mild dehydration is a pretty easy to reverse, so drink more and more water. Here are some of the signs you may be dehydrated and need to drink more H2O. The first one is your mouth and lips are dry. When you are dehydrated, saliva production decreases, leaving your mouth and lips feeling dry. Dry mouth can also make your breath stinky because bacteria has the chance to linger longer when it's not being washed away on a rag. The second one is your pee is dark. The color of your pee can tell you a lot about your health. Healthy hydrated pee should be light yellow or clear, a sign that it's properly diluted. If yours is medium yellow, dark yellow or orange, it's likely because your body isn't getting enough water, so your urine is more concentrated. Robert Kahn, MD, Medical Director of Go Health Urgent Care in New York area, tells self less water intake also means you have to go less often too. The third one is your energy levels are low. The defense mechanism of the body in the face of dehydration is to shut down blood supply to non-vital organs. Kahn explains. This means the rest of your body and your muscles specifically may start to operate at a lower pace, making you feel sluggish and sleepy. The fourth one is you have a headache. The exact way dehydration causes and a headache isn't known, but experts believe that when dehydration level drops, so you does blood volume, which leads to lower blood flow to the brain. This reduces the brain's oxygen supply and causes the blood vessels to dilute, leading to headaches and even light headaches. The fifth one is you don't have enough tears. Similarly to saliva, the amount of tears you have can actually decreases if your body is using every last drop of water to support its basic functions. If your eyes are dry or just not producing much liquid when you're crying, it could mean you're dehydrated. The sixth one is your skin is dry. Water is essential for pulp, hydrated skin. When your body's tank is low and using all the water available for basic functions, your skin gets the short end of a stick. Over time, it can lead to dryness. The seventh one is you can get muscle spasms and Charlie horses. You know those super painful muscle spasms that wake up in the middle of a night after your whole carb seizes up. They typically occur when a muscle is overused and exercising when your fluid level or low can spark one. The eighth one is your body is cramping. There are lots of things that can cause cramping and muscle fatigue is a more likely culprit. But another type of cramping has been connected to dehydration and the sodium deficit in the body. Exertional heart cramping or full body cramping may be related to sodium depletion and fluid loss, especially individuals who are salty eaters. The ninth one is you feel hungry even after you just ate. Thirst and hunger cues come from some part of the brain, so it's easy to confuse the two. If you feel hungry even when you know you have eaten enough, there is a good chance your body actually telling you it needs water, not food. I hope this information is highly useful for you. If you like these all informations, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you all and stay connected.